Hello and welcome to Thái Nguyên News. My name is Thái Nguyên and now today's headlines. Thái Nguyên province continues to effectively implement the project, improving the investment environment for the period 2011-2015. Foreigners bring modern mushroom production technology to Thái Nguyên. Opening the Lom Tom ceremony in Định Hóa ATK in the Lunar New Year. Recently, Phú Yên District held a meeting to present awards for the first land clearance phase of the Vietnam Thái Nguyên Samsung Electronics project. Yên Bình Investment and Development Company will transfer 100 hectares of land located in two communes of Hồng Tiến, Đồng Tiến and Bãi Bồng Town in Phú Yên District to Samsung Electronics Vietnam in two steps. Phase 1, 50 hectares within the first quarter of the year 2013. Phase 2, the remaining 50 hectares in the later part of the year 2013. As of the present, the first phase has been basically completed. At the meeting, Mr. Vũ Hồng Bắc, Chairman of Thái Nguyên Provincial People's Council, commended the entire political system of Phú Yên District for the initial results of the first phase of the project. At the same time, the chairman suggested that Phú Yên District should continue to cooperate with Yên Bình Investment and Development Company in site clearance to be able to create the best conditions for Samsung Electronics Vietnam to start construction project following their commitments. Phú Yên District presented awards to 6 teams with distinguished achievements in the land clearance for the first phase of the Vietnam Thái Nguyên Samsung Electronics project. On February the 19th, Mr. Nhữ Văn Tâm, Deputy Chairman of Thái Nguyên Provincial People's Committee, visited and offered gifts to Vietnam Sinh Ebenezer Vietnam Gammon Factory in Thái Nguyên.
At the meeting, on behalf of the delegation, Mr. Thuần narrated the great contribution of the Thái Nguyên Sinh Gammon Factory to the development of the province over time. He emphasized that in 2012, due to the difficult war and domestic economy, production and business activities of enterprises in the province were affected. However, with great efforts to overcome difficulties, most enterprises supplied jobs to thousands of workers locally with an average income of more than 2 million Vietnam dong per person in a month. The Vice Chairman also stated that in the context of the difficulties, the leaders of Thái Nguyên province would create favorable conditions to have businesses in the province in general and the Thái Nguyên Sinh Gammon Factory in particular to overcome challenges. He also approved the production targets set by the unit in 2013 and asked the unit to try to complete the task. On these occasions, the delegation visited and offered gifts to the board of directors and employees of the factories.
Implementing the project improving the investment environment for the period 2011-2015 in the year 2013, Thái Nguyên Province continues to apply key solutions, doing its best to attract investment in the industrial park infrastructure projects, reserving from 30 to 50 hectares of cleared land to attract strategic investment projects.
Thái Nguyên province will give priority to attracting foreign direct investment in the fields of high-tech industries, mineral processing and world-class tourism. The province will be more active and positive in international economic integration, strengthen management and improve the efficiency of investment promotion activities, as well as improve provincial competitiveness index. Moreover, reforms of administrative procedure and implementation of the door-to-door mechanism in the state administrative agencies, which are similarly important, will also be taken consideration. Following the project, Thái Nguyên province will accelerate site clearance, public planning and promote planning of industrial parks. The province will also continue to study, revise, supplement, and promulgate policies to improve investment, focusing on amending the regulations on compensation and resettlement assistance, encouraging investors to participate in planning and construction of infrastructure works for major projects, reserving cleared land, strengthening propaganda and promotion for potential advantages, organizing training courses on capacity building for investment promotion and management of investment projects for investment promotion staff and some businesses in the locality.
Since its implementation from 2010 to date, the project of mushroom production and consumption in Thái Nguyên province has been reported to have achieved its initial target in the direction of efficiency, sustainability, providing large goods to market, and promoting economic restructuring in agriculture and rural development. Moreover, the mushroom production industry of Thái Nguyên province has attracted the first foreign business named Fusa Biological Technology Limited Company of Taiwan to invest in building mushroom production plant in Hương Sơn Commune, Đại Từ District.
Mushroom production, in line with the modern technology of the company, was directly imported from Taiwan. The mushroom packaging equipment can perform 36 bags per minute with high precision, guarantee the quality and the compression of the material. In particular, the materials in making bags of the mushrooms can also be mixed by machine with a variety of necessary nutrients for the growth of mushroom, such as corn bran, broken rice, soft flour. After closing the bags, they are transferred to the autoclaving phase of the mushroom bags for more than 10 hours with a set time operation, high precision, and stable power. This modern mushroom production technology has an initial investment of about 50 billion Vietnam dong and officially went into production in September 2012.
地理环境，还有它的空气。
The reasons why we chose Thái Nguyên to invest were because of the suitable location, the environment, the climate, and hardworking employees. In the near future, we hope to be supported to overcome difficulties such as frequent power outages that interrupt production. We also hope for improved administrative procedures for business advantage. Despite many difficulties, the company has initially established a relatively stable consuming market. The company also had a variety of mushroom products with high yield, namely 6 tons of white abalone mushrooms, 3.5 tons of perfumed oyster mushrooms, and 3.5 tons of corn mushrooms. In particular, the company also began building a network of satellite mushroom production households in Đại Từ district and neighboring districts. Furthermore, the company implemented technology transfer, supplied the raw materials, and became seller of products for households with the condition that all households must make the commitment of ensuring production environment, the technical processes of care, and transfer products to the company continuously.
Trong quá trình
In the process of growing mushrooms, being one of the households under a network of production satellites for Fusa Company, I get the support of the company from the stage of selecting and mating varieties until the consumption of products. Overcoming initial difficulties, Fusa Biological Technology Limited Company continues to improve its plans and the processes from production to consumption. Motor clean production for the health and belief and the welfare of the customers. The company is not only expanding the company's production, providing jobs for the people, but also expecting to export its products and develop Thái Nguyên mushroom trademark.
On February the 19th, the 10th of January lunar calendar, at Phú Đình Commune, Định Hóa District, the safety area ATK, the Lâm Thong Festival, a traditional field-breaking ceremony of Tây and Nùng ethnic groups, was celebrated. Lâm Thong ceremony, also known as field-breaking ceremony, has been considered a religious activity associated with the agricultural farming of the northern mountainous ethnic groups, especially Tây and Nùng groups. At the ceremony, there was a solemn rite praying for the productive crops of Tây and San Chay ethnic groups. Immediately after that was the field-breaking ceremony and the ritual blessing of Giao people to wish for a happy new year of the prosperous country, good weather and rich crops. Besides, there were many other activities such as gun throwing, puppet performance, lion dance, Chinese chess, crossbow games, dragging on, blind man's buff, which attracted many participants. In addition to these activities, there was a photo exhibition with the theme of alcohol and the cause of women liberation. Alcohol and Việt Bắc ATK women, Thái Nguyên women in alcohol. That's all we have for today. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.